Stretch your hips and lower back, relieve pain. Stretch your groin to promote a healthy reproductive system. Improve knee pain. 36 times each leg. Relieve stress and anxiety. Sleep better. Improve stomach distension, gastric acid reflux. Warm uterus, reproductive health. 36 times before getting up or going to bed. Improve abdominal blood circulation, lose weight. Clean up your body, prevent tumors. Clear your anger so it doesn't harm your liver. Massage the kidneys to improve blood circulation. 36 times a day. Heart massage. Improve blood circulation to the heart. Hit the wall 15 to 25 minutes every morning. This is a great cost-effective exercise. 1 moment to full body, 9 joints. Always please keep your palm facing up. This is a difficult exercise, but good practice will help you avoid pain. Keep your body flexible and improve blood circulation throughout the body. 9 times each side. Promote digestion, improve appetite, lose belly fat, relieve constipation. 36 cycles each side before getting up or going to bed. Relieve lower back pain. Relieve neck pain. 9 times each side. Strengthen your thighs, knees and ankles. Strengthen your kidneys. Improve heart and lung function. reduce pain. Tennis elbow relieves elbow pain. Relieve shoulder pain. 36 times each arm. For over 60 years old exercise. The wrist and elbows 200 times a day. Hip flexibility and relieve pain. Here are 6 meridians in the hand that connect the heart, lungs, and intestine, which are good for their health. Improve pelvic tilt and scoliosis. Wiggle your shoulders and hips. When one side feels easy and the other side feels hard, use more force on the hard side. Six times each side. Enhance heart power, prevent heart disease. Being stimulation, brain narrow, improve dizziness, headache, prevent at least 10 minutes a day. The more you do, the better. Finger touch ear. Stretch the elbow to relieve the pain. Six times a day. Try to keep your palms facing up.